Welcome back. I hope that you are in good health. A 3,200-year-old skeleton is oldest known case of human cancer. Cancer might not be a modern-day disease after all. Discoveries as to the health status of ancient people may give us a clue how cancer arose, and also how oral health could have played a role. Understanding the history and factors that could have caused cancer prior to the onset of modern living conditions is important not only for archaeology, but even more so for medical research. The best preserved examples of the health of people who lived thousands of years ago was discovered at the archaeological site of Amara West in northern Sudan, situated on the Nile River. The 13th to 11th century Nile Valley settlement was unearthed in the 1930s. Archaeologists at the time found what used to be a diverse population living under loose Egyptian rule. In 2008, the British Museum instigated renewal research at the site, which has brought forth even more information about disease and the ancient people. British Museum researchers found some interesting factors in the roughly 180 skeletons unearthed in the cemeteries of Amara West, which could pinpoint the historical connection between stress and disease, as well as between oral health and cancer. Researchers at the Amara West site concluded that during the time under investigation, the region was going through both environmental and social upheaval, with changes in colonial rule, as well as drought affecting the overall population and possibly limiting opportunities for agriculture. For the first time ever, archaeologists along the Nile also found significant numbers of individuals with heart disease. In addition, a third of the population had lung disease, and almost all of them had serious oral complications, including cavities, abscesses, and missing teeth. Every one of these conditions is still considered by most health professionals as results of modern life, certainly not associated with prehistoric people. The finding came from a skeleton of a young adult male, aged 25 to 35, found by a Durham University student. The skeleton was examined by experts at Durham University and the British Museum, and it showed cancer metastasized on the collarbones, shoulder blades, upper arms, vertebrae, ribs, pelvis, and thigh bones. It is the oldest convincing complete example of metastatic cancer in the archaeological record. They say that an underlying infection caused by parasitic flatworms seems a plausible explanation for the cancer in this individual, as the disease had plagued inhabitants since at least 1500 BCE. These types of modern health discoveries simply confirm not only the connection between stress, poor nutrition, and cancer, but also solidifies that direct connection between oral health and disease. It appears that dental cavities and gum disease, caused by poor nutrition and inadequate dental hygiene, apparently did exist back then. Even though cancer is one of the world's leading causes of death today, it remains almost absent from the archaeological record compared to other pathological conditions, giving rise to the conclusion that the disease is mainly a product of modern living and increased longevity. These findings suggest that cancer is not only a modern disease, but was already present in the Nile Valley in ancient times. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.